The Galaxy S24 may appeal to those who dislike the Galaxy S23. Now that the Galaxy S23 has been out and users have been using the phones for over a month, rumors about the Galaxy S24 series have begun to circulate. According to a recent report, Samsung's future Galaxy S series smartphones might have its most fluidic screens. According to a report, the Galaxy S24 series will have Super AMOLED screens with 144Hz refresh rates. Beginning with the Galaxy S20 series, Samsung employed 120Hz Super AMOLED screens in their high-end phones. And, although several competitor companies' gaming phones and high-end smartphones had 144Hz refresh rate screens, Samsung has so far avoided 144Hz screens. If this report is accurate, it may move to 144Hz Super AMOLED screens for a smoother experience while scrolling, swiping, and gaming. The report makes various educated predictions regarding the future Galaxy S24 series, implying that the handsets in this range would come pre-installed with the Android 14-based One UI 6. Furthermore, the next-generation Galaxy S smartphones from Samsung are expected to be paired with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, which is consistent with the company's historical track record. The chipset will not support 32-bit Android applications or games since it lacks any CPU core capable of running 32-bit Android code, requiring all developers to adapt their apps to a 64-bit architecture. The report also notes the phone's presence of UFS 4.1 storage. In terms of camera capabilities, a recent report from Ice Universe claimed that Samsung would integrate 200-megapixel main cameras in its premium handsets for a 3-year period beginning with the Galaxy S23 series. This is confirmed by the present report. Furthermore, it claims that the Galaxy S24 series will have improved zoom capabilities, which is a logical enhancement. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.